Why did you decide to join the Merchant Marine?
It's one of the trades that built the foundation of this country back in 1776 with the shipbuilding industry and fishing and shipping, just merchant goods at that point. So I wanted to continue that tradition and keep it alive.
I knew the maritime industry was a strong field to go into where I could have all sorts of opportunities, whether I wanted to sail or stay shoreside, but still have that stable job field.
I've always loved the water. I've known since about 5th grade that I wanted to take part in a career in marine environmental science.
I always knew I wanted to travel and explore the world, but I also knew I didn't want to be stuck behind a desk for the rest of my life. Most importantly, I wanted to become a role model for young women who are interested in joining the maritime field.
I decided to join the Merchant Marine because I wanted a career that would challenge me and push me to my limits.
I like the structure of it. I also think it's an up-and-coming industry, and being out at sea and seeing the world is an amazing feat.
I chose a career in the maritime industry because I wanted an opportunity to both see the world and affect global commerce.
Why is the maritime industry important?
The maritime industry is important for so many reasons. It's been the main reason this world is what it is today.
The maritime industry is important because we support the defense needs of this nation while also supporting the economic needs of the country as well.
It's a small industry with a huge responsibility.
The world now is so globalized, but it requires the connection between the different countries and different economies, and the maritime industry definitely is a crucial element within that global economy.
Without the Merchant Marine, the Navy doesn't exist, and the shoreside personnel and jobs in that industry don't exist. So the Merchant Marine is the foundation of both of those trades.
I think it's important because we need to be able to supply our military with equipment wherever they are in the world.
80 to 90% of the world's trade goes on over the water. So when you got ready this morning and you put on your clothes, odds are they came from a container ship. And you got into your car, came off of a ro-ro on a car carrier, and the gas that you're using to fuel your car came in on a tanker. So much of your everyday life is due to the trade that goes on over the water with the maritime industry.
You really see how much some communities depend on the maritime industry. There it's fishing, it's if the container ship doesn't get in, you don't have groceries the next day. It's a vital role, especially in those small communities, but even in all of our cities around the U.S.
What is the future of the maritime industry?
I think the future of the merchant marine industry is us. Yes, technology's improving, yes, we're going paperless, but the important thing is the people in it.
I think the future of the United States maritime industry is LNG shipping. I think it's really a different way to supply our ships these days.
As our population grows, I think that the maritime industry is also going to grow. I also feel like it's going to turn to a more automated system. As technology progresses, I feel like our ships are going to progress as well.
I see a safer lifestyle for future merchant marines due to the advancements in technology in safety and navigation.
They're always going to need operators and troubleshooters and mechanics to fix the problems that are on those vessels, whether they're manned or unmanned. So either way, our careers will be safe and definitely needed in the industry.
I think as we see more regulations come into force, officers are gonna have to learn new skills, how to deal with these new technologies.
With tracking containers and other cargoes, you could use electronics for that as well, and that would simplify things and could even possibly make it more efficient.
I see the maritime industry in 2025 going far greener. I see a lot of ballast water in the future, getting rid of heavy fuels, steam going away. And I see a lot more LNG tankers and facilities around that, as well as port expansion.
I see a new breed of merchant mariner, one that has to be trained and adapt to the problems that come with automated vessels.
What was your favorite part about being at sea?
The chance to become my own self. I gained a lot of confidence and self-assurance that I can be halfway across the world and still kick butt.
Connecting with other cultures and being more familiar with other people around the world. Cruise, to me, was a great chance to exercise my leadership in a position where the consequences weren't so high.
You're always doing something. You're always focused on something. There's a new job, there's someone to talk to. Whatever you're doing, it's hands-on and it's interactive. There is no boring moment at sea, but at the same time, it's one of the most peaceful experiences that you can have.
How it runs and how things are tied in together and how everything is based off of each other, and if one thing is wrong, then usually a couple other things could be wrong too.
You're living in a berthing with 30 other people, so by the end of it, everybody knows everybody. It's a really great environment, and your cell phone doesn't ring for 2 months, so that's kind of cool.
The people I was out with, you meet very interesting people. Also the work ethic of everyone around you, everyone has the same goal, you know, everyone's really pushing forward, you know, your life is in danger all the time, essentially, and so is the ship. So I think it was very exciting all the time, and if every job could be like that, that would be amazing.